Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to Bringing Back Basic Gray. This is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and Stampin' Cat on Instagram. You'll find the links in the description below. Basic Gray makes fabric now. They were a little ahead of their time in the grunge, cool patterns, not so cutesy paper. And now they just do fabric. Some of us have it in our stash and we pull it out every once in a while and play with it. So you can see I have a yellow and white lace tie on this journal because I put so much good stuff in it. It started to get a little big and I thought it could use a tie. It might settle back down and not need one, but it's not bad anyway. Then I have stitched it with black, and you'll see why in a minute. And I toyed with the idea of putting a little black bow or a touch of black embroidery floss through the middle of it. So if you choose this one and you want to, go for it. The cover, of course, is a basic gray paper, and it has green and blue and pink and orange. It's got a lot going on. Then we open it up on the inside, and you can see this is not my typical color palette, but it just needed to be made. It made sense to me. I have a pink guest check here, and then I have some little pockets with tags in each one, and I've inked the edges of a lot of things here. The possibilities are endless. Is a sticker on top of a gel print with a pink metallic, a photo or your list, that kind of thing would be great. I bet you could write on this with a Sharpie too. It would show through though. Maybe a paint marker, maybe a Posca. I don't know. Anyway, more paper to write on, then a journaling card right here and a pocket that has fabric and paper, 2 layers of paper. So you've got some texture in here. It's kind of a fun, junky one. Be yourself. An original is always worth more than a copy, and a little die cut bird. And then this is a Dina Wakley stamp. Yes, you, the one reading this, you are special. That's from something else. Then on the back, journaling card, blank and ready to go. And little thing of pockets over here. So you've got a journaling card here, and then some cute little bits of the paper that you could use for journaling or glue in somewhere. And then I stuck in another little tag. And in case you need it too, this is a little pocket right there. So you've got all kinds of choices. As I've said before, if you choose this journal, take all the stuff out, move it around, make it your own. Whatever you want to do. $26 all in, shipped in the US. Blank here, map. It's from a huge atlas, so it gives you an idea. This is Israel, right? The scale, it's big. Here we have Be Yourself, and it has a little ephemera piece. And then in the pocket, I've inked the edges, and it says these are memories. You can journal on, tuck your secrets back in there. This page, ready to go. Lots of space to write here. You can also just decorate and glue things. Love this, and a butterfly. And then in here it says, I am so very blessed, and it's decorated with some rub-ons. This is the edge of an envelope coming through, and I just lightly inked the edges so that the tear shows. Here we have just a smush, maybe an actual gel print with metallic pink and a black and a teal little pop. You can glue to these, you can tear them out, you can do whatever you want with them. Same here with this pink rice paper. You can glue or staple stuff to it. You can put pockets on it. You could probably write on it with a paint or Sharpie pen. Then here we have a journaling card with some butterflies on it. That's a rub-on. The back's ready to go. The edges are inked lightly. And this is a flashcard. And I just liked the orange, so I didn't use it as a journaling card. I made it a pocket. Then here we have the Goodnight Trail, Palo Duro State Park, West Texas's most colorful and impressive canyon drive. 1941 is the date on this little postcard. So you've got some fun vintage and grunge in here that I just couldn't resist. Over here, there's a rub-on and a canceled stamp, Des Moines, Iowa, and then a vellum sticker over here. So you can decorate this main pocket any way you want. So you have the center of your journal to your taste. Then we have a journaling card that says be the sunshine and believe in yourself, and bridge, maybe something, bridge. Yeah, bridge scoring pad. It's just fun vintage paper, and you can write on it. Here we go, butterflies coming out of the pocket, and it says live the life of your dreams. And then another journaling card here, not decorated at all. You could do whatever you want with it, but it's that grungy black. It's actual basic gray, so kind of goes nicely with it. You are absolutely awesome. No, seriously, you are. Journaling card, you could stamp a big image here. You could draw. Do you draw? And then down here, we've got just a fun cluster that I had made long ago in a different video. And I put a joy thing over the top. I am using those. Clear it out. It's happening. Here, another fun thing. You could hook this down and make this a pocket. You could like staple or tape or put stuff in it, whatever. It feels wonderful. I mean, it's pink, but it feels wonderful. Then we're going down the other side. So we have that envelope with some rub-ons, a stamped image, a bingo card and yellow sticker. And then in the pocket, I changed the size of the pocket a little bit to tighten it up. Clearly it worked. You have a journaling card. Then on the back side, you've got a little pocket here and another journaling card and a butterfly coming out from behind it. On these, you can take these and you can stamp on them, you can draw on them, you can write, whatever you want to do. If you sketch, if you are doing garden design or quilt design, they're just yours to write on, whatever you want to write about. This is a pocket. You could take this out and toss it, put whatever you want in that. Pure Joy has a bit of cork and a cute little wood star embellishment. Then you flip it up and it's a star sticker. It was a border sticker that I've just been wanting to use. It's red. It kind of goes. I mean, there's like a real dark reddish orange in there. You could journal here and then fold it down. Nobody will even notice it. You could put a picture of your dog right here, vice versa, whatever you want to do. Journaling. I would probably, this map is upside down, which doesn't send me over the edge because it's upside down because this one's right side up and the other one was. Look at that. It's pink, probably Dina Wakley spray. So those flowers are pretty much glued to the page because of the gloss spray. And then we have pockets. We've got little tags. Look at this little star tag in here. And a little sticker down here, vintage sticker. The edges are inked and I didn't cut the threads. It's a fun mess. Write whatever you want here. Then this opens up and another pop of yellow in here. Yellow and a bird. This is a wild color palette for me, isn't it? This one says, I am loving life. I think it would be really cute glued right here. You could even just glue the edges. This is the tuck spot, and then if you just glued the edges, this one would be. Or you could glue the bottom too, and it would be a tiny pocket. Then a tag with the edges inked and a string from clothing. And then you have these. I don't think these say anything. Oh, on this day, and it has some stenciled junk on the bottom of it. You know, little fun surprises, that black glitter. Oh, look at this guy. This is a star paper clip with a butterfly on a, what do we call them? Like a ball pen. And a touch of black. Just little touches of black to go with this paper. Some more of that star border. And I tore it and inked the edge. And then a little ruler sticker that was just fun next to it. This is a vellum sticker that I tore it off and put it on top of the pink. And then here I inked up a butterfly, a wood butterfly with archival ink. And layered it on a piece of paper. And a rub-on, and this says, I am choosing to be happy. And then it's a big journaling card, and then this one is just ready to write on. It has a faint outline of stars from a stencil when I dyed it, but it's just fun. On this dark paper, you could use a silver or a gold or a white pen if you want to write on both sides. Okay, there you go. Super junky and wonderful and all sorts of goodness. I just kind of went nuts on that one. I just kept adding and adding, and then I inked edges and but there's still a lot of room. I mean, if you want to personalize it more, you can just keep going with your sentiments or your dog, or I don't know, maybe you go around and watch butterflies a lot and you have all sorts of ideas for that. I don't like bows, you know, it's not my thing. So I usually do like just a fun knot. I left it long enough though that if you want to tie a bow, you can. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out Beth and Kathy. Like I said, the links are down in the description below. I will be back on, I think it's Thursday the 21st for Craft with 5. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking great care of yourself. Bye-bye.